Let's start with exercise 4.5. Now division of the fractional numbers. See, it is same like multiplication of the fraction number. What is the change? See here, nothing in the denominator of 5. So write here 1. Now what you have to do? 1 by 3. Change this division to multiplication. And we will reciprocate the next term. It will become 1 over 5. Now the same procedure. See what can be cancelled? Nothing. So you are left with 1 ones are 1 over 3 5s are 15. This is your answer. Same way, nothing in the denominator means 1 is there. 5 by 7, change division to multiplication and reciprocate this next fraction. Now 5 and 15 both can be cancelled with the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. So you are left with 1 ones are 1, 7 3s are 21 is the answer. Now 4 over 5, change the division to multiplication. This will be 7 upon 5. See, what can be cancelled? Numerator, denominators can't be cancelled with each other. So, your answer is 7 4s are 28 upon 25. This is improper fraction. So, the answer will be 25 1 3. 25 ones are 25 plus 3 is 28. You can divide and write the mixed fraction. Next is 8 over 9, change division to multiplication. It will be 11 over 9. Now, what can be cancelled here, children? 8 can't be cancelled with 9. 11 can't be cancelled with 9. So, your answer is 88 over 81. Again, it's an improper fraction. So, it will be 81, 7 by 81, 7 by 81. Next is 9 over 10, multiply 30 over 17. See, 10 and 30 can be cancelled. 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. Now 9 threes are 27 over 17. Again, it is an improper fraction. So, for your convenience, you can divide it. 17 ones are 17. We are left with what? 1 on the whole. 10 over 17 is the answer. 31 over 33, change division to multiply. 11 over 9. Now 11 and 33 can be cancelled by 3. Now nothing else can be cancelled. Your answer is 31 over 9 3s are 27. So this is also 1 4 by 27. You can divide and write. 2 over 3, change the division to multiply. Then it will be what? 15 over 4. 3 and 15 can be cancelled. 3 5s are 15. 2 2s are 4. You are left with what? 5 over 2. So change it. 2, 2 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Next is 9 over 10. 9 over 10 multiply. It is 25 by 6. Now see, 9 cannot be cancelled with 10 but can be cancelled with the table of 6. Means both can be cancelled with the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Now 10 and 25 also can be cancelled with the table of 5. 5 2s are 5, 5s are 25. Now numerators can't be cancelled with denominators. We are left with 3 5s are 15 upon 2 2s are 4. Again improper fraction. Write it in the mixed fraction. 4 3s are 12. 4 3 3 by 4. It's 3 3 by 4 is the answer. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 by 4. Next is 6 by 25 multiply 10 over 9. Now, see what can be cancelled? 6 and 9, it is 3 2s are 3 3s are. 25 and 10, 5 2s are 5 5s are. 2 2s are 4 upon 9 is the answer. This is proper fraction. So, with this your exercise 4.5 is finished. 5 3s are 15 children. By mistake I wrote 9 over here. 5 3s are 15. So with this exercise 4.5 is finished. Only question number 1 to 15 are there in the syllabus. Exercise 4.6. Same. When you divide a fraction with the same fraction, your answer is 1. Again division of the fraction with the same fraction, answer is 1. This with what you will divide so that you will get the same answer. When we divide any number with 1, we get the same answer. Now by what should I divide this so as to get 1? Obviously the same fraction I will write here 8 3 by 5. Now with what should I divide? 9 1 over 3 so that I will obtain the same answer here 1. because any number divided by 1 will get the same answer. 0 divided by any number, what is the answer? 0. Next, dash divided by 5 by 7 is equal to 0. So in which case 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. Again, same fraction divided by same fraction is 1. Then this fraction divide by what so as to get the same answer? 1. With this, children, your fourth chapter is finished. 4.7 exercise is not in the syllabus.